Prepare your fabric by folding into quarters. Find the square that is in the top right of the centre point of the fabric. This is where you're going to start. Coming through the back of the fabric, insert your needle through the hole that is in the centre of the fabric. Carefully pull the thread through, but make sure that you leave an inch at the back of your work. Hold onto it tightly, you're going to need to keep it steady. Make the first part of your stitch. Keep holding that back part tight. You're going to need to hold it tight so the thread doesn't come all the way through. Now, you're going to make the second part of the stitch, and this is where you're going to need to use the little bit at the back to help fasten your thread on safely. What you need to do is put the needle through the back of the fabric and it creates a loop. Carefully pop the thread that you have been holding through the loop and pull tight. You will still need to hold on to the end of this thread as you pull it tight to avoid it coming all the way through. And there you go, you've fastened on. When you have finished stitching, turn over your fabric to look at the back of the work. Here you can see the back of the stitches. Very carefully thread your needle through the back of the stitches. Probably about 4 stitches would be ideal. Pull the needle all the way through and then repeat the process with maybe 2 or 3 stitches this time. Cut the thread, leaving a very small end on the work. And you're finished.